जिसका तुम्हें था इंतजार, वो घड़ी आ गई, अब तो हद से गुजरना ही पड़ेगा. Now you don't have a choice. Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Agrawal, your law mentor, and I'm here to guide you for the most important and crucial phase of your journey. सिर्फ 4 दिन बचे हैं. You just have 4 days left for your exams. It's crucial, and this time it's important not to chase the syllabus but to chase the marks. So भूल जाओ बाबा रणछोड़ दास का ज्ञान. इस समय सिर्फ मार्क्स के पीछे भागना है, ज्ञान के पीछे नहीं भागना है. The goal is not to complete the syllabus. The goal is to maximize retention, effective revision, presentation, and of course MCQ accuracy, because that also holds a very important segment in your paper. So what we are going to discuss in this particular video, I'll keep it short, crisp, and to the point. What to study, how to study, when to study, mistakes that you need to avoid, some live session detail, and of course, many tips. So let's start with day 1, because we have 4 days. Day 1 is going to be 7th June. Fine, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, and then you have the day, है ना? तो first of all, 7th June plus 8th June, I would say, जो हमारे ये day 1 and day 2 हो जाएंगे. What you have to do here is the full syllabus revision. Now, this may sound very generic, but listen to me very carefully and listen to me till the end. You have to revise all the chapters, but the question is how? Special focus on important sections and topics, fair enough. But again, how? तो देखो, whenever you are revising, you have to pick a chapter. Let's say you are starting, because roughly if I say 2 days, you will have 10 hours each day, which is non-negotiable. अब हम इसमें नहीं बात कर सकते, 9-10 घंटे तो पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, right? So you have in total, let's say 20 hours to finish that first super effective revision of your entire syllabus. So let's say you start with Indian Contract Act, which should roughly take 3 hours. Roughly, it may be more, slightly, it may be slightly lesser, right? It doesn't matter. It should roughly take 3 hours, okay? अब करना क्या है, when you have picked up a particular chapter and you're revising Indian Contract Act, you have opened a book और आप हर एक provision को देख रहे हो. What you have to do is cover that provision and recall all the points. Let's say you're talking about the position of minor, तो वहाँ पे कौन कौन से points आते हैं? Are you able to recall all the points, or is there a point that you have missed? If there is a point that you have missed, mark it कि ये वाला point मुझे याद नहीं आया, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे मैं फंस गई, और दिस आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट इट करेक्ट, राइट? लाइकवाइज यू आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज एवरी चैप्टर. इफ आई जस्ट क्विकली टेल यू, the commercial laws roughly should take, other commercial laws apart from ICA should roughly take 5 hours, right? Ethics should be wrapped up in an hour. ठीक है, पढ़ना जरूरी है. Companies Act maybe roughly 6 hours. Industrial laws 4 hours. Then you'll have still, I think, 1 extra hour, and then this can be wrapped up in 20 hours. ठीक है, so you have to revise all the chapters with special focus. तो सारा का सारा syllabus you have to finish by 8th June. ठीक है, ये आपको सबसे पहली चीज करनी है. Now, during this revision, it has to be an active recall revision, not just simply flipping the pages. ये पलटा अच्छा ये है, ये पलटा अच्छा ये है. This will not give you the confidence, and you might feel underprepared all the time, and that will increase the anxiety and panic. ठीक है, no need to write anything right now. Mark what you don't remember. Don't try to learn right away. ये वाला topic नहीं आ रहा है, so I'm trying to learn it, I'm trying to mug it up. No, don't do that. Just mark it. Because it's very important to recall everything that you've already learned. इस समय revising what you know is more important than knowing something you don't know. ठीक है, so जो नहीं आता है, maybe it is something very trivial, unimportant and difficult, उसको छोड़ दो. If it is something difficult yet very important, then note its score points and review the day before exams. तो वो 10th को review करना, ताकि दिमाग में कुछ तो retain रहे, because we have a very short retention span, right? Now, during the process, whenever you feel tired, just grab a cup of coffee, tea, or some warm water, and open the MCQ bank and start doing random questions. Brain अपने आप activate हो जाएगा and will bring back the interest. ठीक है, सो जब भी लगे अरे यार नहीं हो रहा, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू इट एनी मोर, प्लीज डोंट बी सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. जस्ट ओपन द MCQ बैंक एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. वो तो होगा ना, ठीक है. देन वी कम टू डे 3, राइट? डे 3, दैट्स 9th June. Now, 9th June, see, during the revision, you have all the important revision marathons, वगैरह सब चीजें हैं, all the important videos, the links are also in the description, right? So you can take help of that. Maybe at times when you're feeling कि अरे यार अब नहीं का revision नहीं हो रहा और ethics it's so boring, just plug in the earphones and keep saying with me. जैसे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आप याद करो, हाँ, I remember this point, right? So you can listen to the marathon and you can revise also. Fine. Now we come to day 3. Day 3, that's 9th June. Now 9th June you'll take a mock test. Mock test मतलब हम 3 घंटे हम spend कर देंगे 9th June का at that crucial time. नहीं होगा हमसे. Maybe only 3-4 descriptive questions, random questions which you're not specifically prepared of. बट राइट इन स्पीड, क्रिएटिंग एन एग्जाम एनवायरमेंट कि अगर मैं 4 क्वेश्चन पिक करूँ, दिस इज द टाइम दैट आई हैव, सो दैट यू नो कि कैसे करना होता है रिकॉल, द टाइम यू टेकिंग टू थिंक, द टाइम यू टेकिंग टू प्रोसेस, द टाइम यू टेकिंग टू राइट, आर यू एबल टू राइट इन अ स्पीडली मैनर एंड रिलेट एंड प्रोसेस. तो एग्जाम हॉल के पैनिक से ना थोड़ा सा आपको सेव करेगा एंड यू विल बी मेंटली एंड फिजिकली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. फाइन. And then complete whatever revision is pending and then start reviewing the questions. See, there is a choice also, and when we talk about CMA inter-syllabus, then there are more descriptive direct questions, so revision is more important than this. But now what you have to do is 9th June ko you have to review. Review what? Review the questions. Now when you're reviewing the questions, how do you review it? ठीक है, every subjective question you will have some keywords, so identify the keywords, recall the section, provision, don't write the answers, but ensure that you know कि लिखना क्या है. You should know what ICMI is expecting from you. ठीक है, do not read the solutions first, attempt orally कि हाँ ये इसमें लिखना है, and then check how many points you got right. If there is a question जो बहुत basic है and you know it very well, then skip it. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा you have to do that smart, you have to apply that smart approach. Okay, now there are some questions which must be reviewed before exams for many reasons, जिसको हम कहते हैं most important questions, right? So ये हम साथ में करेंगे. कब करेंगे? 9th evening. 9th evening I'm going to sit with you live with the most important questions. ठीक है, so for CMA inter students, जो लाइव सेशन होने वाला है which I'm going to take is going to be on 9th, right? It's going to be super effective, धमाकेदार सेशन होने वाला है from 7 PM onwards. I repeat, 9th June 7 PM onwards. From the link, it is in the description, so you can click on notify me and be notified. And तब तक revision भी अच्छे से कर लेना है because I'm going to cover all the chapters, right? And if I talk about 10th, जो हमारा डे 4 हो गया, द डे जस्ट बिफोर द एग्जाम, सो दिस इज नॉट अ रिविजन डे बट अ रिव्यू डे. ठीक है, सो आफ्टर अ सुपर क्विक रिविजन थ्रू द चार्ट्स और शॉर्ट नोट्स, जस्ट रिव्यू द कंसेप्ट्स विच यू हैव मार्क्ड, विच यू कुडंट रिकॉल. अरे यार ये पॉइंट याद नहीं आ रहा था, हाँ 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 ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, और मे बी यू हैव नॉट लर्नड प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, and it is important, it is difficult, so you're not able to learn it, but it is important. तो उसको बार बार 2-4 बार ऐसे recall करो. ठीक है, बोलो, पढ़ो, revise करो. Okay, review the questions you couldn't answer and briefly check study mat, past 3 attempt MQP, current attempt MQP and PTP. Of course, most of it would be covered in the session itself, है ना? तो live session में साथ attend करोगे तो most of the things will be covered, right? Now, some golden rules. Do not complete the pending lectures now. कोई भी आपने क्लास नहीं, आपको लगता है ये क्लासेस मैंने की नहीं किया, अब नहीं करूँ, यू कैन लिसन टू द मैराथन, यू कैन लिसन टू द लास्ट मिनट रिविजन, जो भी जहाँ पे भी आप फर्स्ट हो, जहाँ से भी आप रिलेट करो, यू कैन डू दैट. डोंट स्टार्ट अ न्यू चैप्टर, मे बी हैव स्किप्ड अ चैप्टर, डोंट स्टार्ट अ न्यू चैप्टर. यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट द FAQs ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर, एंड इफ देयर इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट देन मे बी यू कैन उसके पॉइंट्स नोट करके you can just review it. Fine. Don't compare your preparation with others. आधे लोग आपसे झूठ बोल रहे होंगे. So if you call a friend and ask कि अरे यार हो गया क्या, नहीं नहीं अभी तो ये भी नहीं हुआ है, वो भी नहीं हुआ है, तो ऐसा नहीं है, वो शायद आपसे 4 कदम आगे चल रहा है, या फिर मे बी somebody is very under prepared and saying अरे ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया, they are not prepared. So don't compare your preparation with others. Revise the same material multiple times, as many times as you can. Focus on MCQs whenever you get time. Just sit and do random MCQs. Focus on repeat questions, memorize the keywords. If you are not able to, अगर आप points बोल भी रहे, you are able to recall a provision, but you feel that अरे यार I'm saying very lame things, तो देखो उसमें कि क्या keywords हैं, just say aloud the keywords. So mark your calendar. See you all in the live session. And yes, a guidance video on answer writing will also be posted. Don't forget to check that. All the best. जल्दी से शुरू हो जाओ बस अब. मिलते हैं 9th evening शाम 7 बजे, right? All the very best. Thank you.